Hey folks, today's the day we're going to work on this bike. So we're going to pull these cowlings off, get them ready for some paint and some vinyl. I'd like to change out the decals and stickers here. I think Danielle said we're going to go with a Hello Kitty design down below here. So some type of white and pink and then Hello Kitty sparkly. We'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned. Hey guys, because I sped the speed up on this to ×5. There's really no audio that I can put in here, and if I put any music in here, they seem to really just give me a problem with not putting the titles in and stuff, and that's aggravating me. So I think we're just going to use some stock music, not have to add stuff in, worry about monetization. So I hope you enjoy what I'm saying right now to you, because that's all you're going to get for about 10 more seconds. But the bike's torn apart now, and you're still here, so now you've made it. Back to volume. For real this time. Tear down's done. Now we're gonna get to Let's go. Got a funny little primer switch here. There's no handle on it. So I guess you stick a screwdriver in there to turn that on and off. But other than that, this is a 250, water cooled. Doesn't look too bad. Low mileage on it too. This is a 2013. I think it says 8,851 miles. It's almost 9,000 miles, but runs really good. So let's get it doctored up with some paint, and then we'll send it on to Danielle to do the decals. Okay, so I had originally thought that these Thundercats were painted on, but they are stickers, and I think this is the sticker, but then they painted over the sticker. I'm gonna try and use a heat gun and get this off. As you can see, they've already sanded these plastics once. This can take a little while, and we don't have all day to watch this. We're already at 7 minutes on this video. Let's get it done. Go Fungi, go. Alright guys, I didn't want to bore you to death, so we're like ×8 on our speed right now. I'm just going to jam through this. I'm going to show you how you do it. You need to slow it down so you can pay attention, but you're really just putting in some good grit and sand in here, kind of trying to get some of the runs out of it, but most of the filler paint will take care of that. And you don't really have to worry too much about it, because after you've laid your first coat, it's okay. Alright, we got this pink paint. We'll do our first puff coat here. It's a little windy, but not too bad. So if you guys didn't know, today is Danielle's birthday, actually tomorrow morning, and I have literally just today to prep the bike, paint the bike, reassemble the bike after disassembly, and I'm trying to do all this while she's sleeping in and the kids are at school. So if you didn't know that, you should know that. Right. First coat is done on both parts. Not looking bad. We'll touch up sanding, then we'll move on to the next coat. Probably gonna go 3 coats on this one, I think. Not positive. We'll see how it turns out, and then we'll put it back on the bike. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go get some coffee. Darn bugs, get out of here. Okay, coat number 2 is complete on each one. And I don't know what it is about the pink, but the little bugs just keep trying to crawl on there. We said go away. But they're not looking bad. There was a previous scratching and whatnot here on the plastics from whatever before, but you know, not bad. Let's put them back on the bike now. Well, what do you think? Well, now we got to see what Fun Girl thinks. Hopefully she doesn't kill me for painting her bike. Stay tuned to find out.